I'm Scott.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Michael.
What is it called, Michael?
We did the cookie topper, and our nickname was the Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
So how this works is, the bottoms and the cream of the Oreo cookies are fed onto a rotating tray here. It turns, and then the tops are also fed on by a similar mechanism. They backflip on, turns to the claw. The claw smashes the top of the cookie on so it stays, and then this pusher here pushes the cookie off the tray into a waiting hand or tray.
A waiting hand or tray. Okay, so
Yeah.
do I get to be the first?
Who
wants to be the waiting hand? Someone want to be the waiting hand? You get to eat a cookie. All right, kid.
You might not want to eat these, but...
Oh, you don't want to eat these?
Where do I need to hold it right here?
Okay. So...
Where do I need to hold it, boys?
Hold on. When this smashes, it's gonna turn back this way.
Yeah.
So just kind of wait for it.
Wait for it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After
Maybe you should come in on this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Be better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so it all starts at the...
We don't want your hand to get caught in there and
I'll tell you when
get
it's
severed. That would not. Well, actually, would make a pretty good video.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Try this.
Yes.
So the claw sets to open,
There you go. Oh,
He's
it's on. Oh, look at that.
turns to the claw.
Oh, clamped it.
Caleb, let's go.
Coming around. There it is. Oh! Yeah, grab that cookie.
Everything was so perfect.
All right. Hey, that was pretty good, except for it
Everything
missed
was
us.
so perfect.
Oh, let's try it again. Can you try it again? Is it-
Yeah.
How hard is it
You need
to?
to like make
Here,
this
wait.
long.
So this doesn't just keep the cookies going. You got to set it up every time. Or?
No, like, this will return to that if the claw, if this doesn't miss.
Oh, okay.
So as long as this isn't stopping it from turning back, it'll go back here. And then you
Okay.
just hit
And then
switch
it goes again. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get a
That should be it.
get a good run in here.
Okay. Go for it.
Pushing it on. Flipped it, kind
Pretty
of.
close. That's pretty
Plant
close.
that thing.
Okay, Caleb.
Okay. Turn around. Knock it off. There it is. Coming back. Oh, hey, how is it? Ooh, they've been using that cookie for like a month.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, let's do one more here so I can catch a cookie.
All right.
And then I'll trade it in for like a good one.
Yeah, that's
All right, one more. Here we go.
You gonna put your hand down there?
I am when it's gonna about ready to do it. I'm not putting my hand in there any too soon. There it is. Oh,
A little extra fiber this time.
yeah.
clamped it.
There you go.
Bring me that cookie. Bring me that cookie. Give me that cookie. Oh! Stole the cookie right out of my hand. Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right. Very interesting. Nice job. Everybody, round of applause for the cookie company. Okay. Good job.